Hey guys, in this video we will learn to request JSON objects using Android Volley. The first thing that we will do is create a PHP script that will echo a JSON object. Create a new file. Save this file as server file.php and create an array object. The first value will be name. Let's say John. And then we have John's age, 42, and we have John's email, that is john@sakar.com, and then we can echo this array in the form of JSON encode $array. We will be fetching this JSON object through our Android code. Save this file. Now let's start our Apache server before we code our Android part. And also open the terminal and start our Ngrok. Again, if you don't know what Ngrok is, I'll put a link into the description box. Please check it out. I have a video on the same. Run the command /ngrok http 8080. Go to the services tab, start Apache, go to the networks tab, enable port forwarding 8080 to 80 and mount the volume. Go to the htdocs folder and paste the server file.php in here. Now let's go to the Android part. Let's set up the project. Go to build.gradle and add Volley dependency. Go to the manifests file and add internet permission. And if you are going to run this in Android Pie, then set uses clear text traffic to true and hit sync now. Now go to activity main.xml file, change the root element to relative layout and add a text view. Width and height wrap content, ID text view, center in parent will be true. Now go to main activity.java file and create an object of request queue, volley.newRequestQueue, context this. Now create an object of JSON object request equals new JSON object request. Our request type can be either post or get, so let's take it as get this time. Then URL, our URL is our Ngrok URL /server file.php. The next parameter is null and the next is response listener. And the last one is error listener. And we can add this request in our request queue. And when we get the response, then we will show the response in our text view. So let's have a reference to our text view element. Find by ID r.id.textView and textView.setText. Name is response.getString name. Press Alt Enter and surround it with try catch. because it throws JSON exception. And then add a new line, and age will be response dot get string age. And then we can show the email on a new line. Email will be response dot get string email. We need a semicolon here. Now we can run and test our app. Okay, so our response has come. So if you like this video, then give this a like and subscribe to the channel.